Well, hello there, folks. This is Paw Paw G back with another compost gardening video, compost gardening and exercising video. Think right, meditate on thinking right, and you'll have a tight life. If you think right, meditate on thinking right, and you'll have a tight life. If you think right, think right, think right. Meditate on thinking right, and you'll have a tight life. If you think right, meditate on thinking right, and you'll have a tight life. Yes, folks. This is Paw Paw G back, as I said. Going to give you an update on the compost gardening video. I got my trusty spoon handle because I had a surgery, and I'm keeping my tongue from messing around with the surgery too much. And it's been hindering my recovery. And so I thought about doing something to distract my tongue or block it off from irritating the healing of my gums. I had oral surgery. But anyway, walk back here and show y'all how the compost garden is coming along. This morning, my screen looks mighty. I don't know if my light something need adjusting or what, but anyway, I can see me, so hopefully y'all can see me too. But anyway, let me show y'all how it looked back here. Getting a lot of falling leaves right now. This is what I use in my compost gardening, y'all. I use these fallen leaves and some and wood chips and things like that. All things that are gonna compost back into soil. Excuse me. But anyway, yeah, this is how it's looking back here. I'm having to deal with these fallen leaves again. So I thought of a way to start using these fallen leaves. I'm letting them pile up some right now and let them keep falling. As you can see, hope that sun is not blinding you. But it's a beautiful morning here in Gulfport, Mississippi. That's where I am, Gulfport, Mississippi. And walk over here by this other plot I got going. It hadn't turned out as well as I thought it would, because what I think is that it's going to have to deteriorate some more. The wood chips and leaves and everything that I have in here are going to have to deteriorate some more. And I see these okra plants here. They're holding on. I have some corn, got some corn planted out here, but it don't look like it's going to develop enough to do anything, but it's developing a little bit. But I transplanted these okra plants over here from my neighbor's garden over there, and Brother Lester, and he gave me some. I see here's one, a couple of developing there. All right. My understanding is that they'll develop until we get a frost. I guess after we get a frost, then may not have too many more, whatever. But I see they're steady progressing. But I'm expecting that this garden will continue to develop and be able to grow more food. I know there's worms developing under there, and that's one of the main reasons I'm doing compost gardening, is to be able to let the worms live, so that they keep doing their thing up under there, and the garden will keep producing. That's the idea. And so that's the plan. So I'm sure that it's steady developing and steady growing. They steady growing under there. And the ultimate main reason I'm doing compost gardening is to not have weeds, not have to be worried about all those weeds and hoeing and tilling and hoeing and tilling and hoeing and doing all that kind of stuff. And sweating. Don't forget to sweat. All that sweat, along with that comes along with that, helped me decide to start compost gardening. It's what I call it. I call it compost gardening. And not have to deal with all those weeds all the time. But anyway, I hope those worms are steady developing under there and everything, and things should be better next season. I'm thinking. I'm getting ready to start planting some collard greens in my compost garden. And this is a compost pile I have over here. I'll probably use some of it to put in my compost garden. And so I have some soil under there, so that my plants will continue to grow and prosper, be able to grow and prosper. As Spark used to say. Yes. Anyway, you see my watermelons over here? Have a couple of watermelons coming out that are growing. Oh, I see. I got one of them busted over there. Oh boy, I don't know what that means, but anybody that know, put it in the comment. But anyway, it's busted. It was developing. See, it's getting red in there. Anyway, it's going to turn into some compost. I'm going to make it into compost. But here's another one here. Hopefully it'll keep going. Keep growing and growing and growing and thriving. We got a late tomato here coming out. Late tomato. Because these plants are about done. But we had a good turnout, a good mess of tomatoes in this compost garden. I see I'm going to have to retreat. I'm going to have to put some more compost, some more wood chips and everything over here, because this grass is kind of taking over. It was kind of, I didn't have it too thick over here. And so I see on this off season, I'm going to put some more wood chips, or mulch. I can find me some wood chips. Maybe I try a tree company that gets really cuts trees down and stuff. Maybe they'll have some that I can get. They probably be looking for places for things to do with their wood chips free of charge, probably. As many as they'll probably get, as they probably get. But this is an asparagus plant that I have growing here. But I'm going to have to redo the compost garden, because I see that around the edges, as you can see, around the edges is the weeds are kind of creeping in. You see, but as you can see, they come out relatively easy. The weeds, what few do come out real easy. See, the whole root comes out. The whole root. Anyway, that's the update on the compost gardening, folks. It's turning out. I mean, it's producing. It's producing nice tomatoes and other things. Watermelons are coming, but they as you can see, I'm having a little trouble with that. I'm gonna have to try to figure it out, how to get them to develop. These are scuffernines or muscadine vines here that I have growing. But anyway, let's get to the exercising part of this video. Exercise. Yeah, I'm going to do some walking this morning. As I stated before, I had surgery, and I'm recuperating from that. And let's see, trying to adjust this a little bit. My son James bought me this outfit, bought me this stand, because I finally got me a stand, y'all, for the subscribers that's been around. Oh yeah, and that's another thing. My subscribing is really improving. Last time I looked, I had over 500. And that's up from 10. That's up from 10 the other day. You know, but anyway, I hired a SEO guy to help me out with my marketing my website, my channel. But anyway, let me get to the walking. Walking. I'm getting some exercise today, y'all. I feel like getting a little exercise. My mouth is improving and getting better. And so I feel like getting a little exercise out here today. Get some walking done. Yep. Walking. Get some walking done. Anyway, did y'all see something besides me? Hopefully you can see real good. I don't know how to reverse this camera, but hopefully you can see. Walking through my on my little street here. I ain't going too far. I ain't gonna go out too far because I don't want to push it. I don't want to push it. My gold fell over here. Well, my son-in-law bought it for my grandchildren, and I moved it out of the way because oh boy, the road sweeper came through yesterday, and I see they wasn't able to get all the way over there because I didn't know that my goal had fell over and was blocking, and it's probably blocking them from being able to get over here real good. As you can see, that's all right. They'll get it next time. What you don't get you in the wash, you get it in the rinse, right? Anyway. But yeah, I hope this turned out pretty well here. I'm doing some walking here that y'all see behind me. Yeah, I feel like doing a little exercise this morning. A little exercising. Yep. My health is improving. I had removed what they call tori. Doctors call it tori under my tongue. Overdevelopment of bone is what I said. What I say it is, overdevelopment of bone. But anyway, back and forth, walking. Yep, might get a little jog on. What you think? All right, I'm feeling pretty good today. Miss ought to be paying for it later, because the pain has been awesome. the pain has been pretty overwhelming, because earlier in doing my recuperation, I was my tongue was doing too much. You know, I be trying to, you know how you might try to help something heal by fooling with it or messing with it or whatever. I have worked teeth until they came out before. Some of you people, some of you guys can relate to that, to things like that. You know, you may not have a whole lot of money to go to the dentist, and so you I know a lot of people are probably cringing that don't understand that. They might have had money all their life and everything, and so, but anyway, I have worked teeth to loose until they came out. Yep. Hey, I have used a pair of pliers before. Thing get to hurting so bad. Keep working it until, hey, comes out. Yep. Being here in America, and even in other parts of the world, people that look like me don't may not have as many opportunities as a lot of other people that don't look like me, that don't look like us, you know. So they may not understand not having a lot, because wealth has been passed down to, generational wealth has been passed down to some people, but hey, not all people. But anyway, I don't want to overdo it. So I believe I probably might be making it too long anyway, this video. But I hope y'all enjoyed what you have seen and heard this morning. Some people can enjoy it, some people may not. But anyway, this is the real here. This is the real with Paw Paw G. Thank you for taking a walk with me, Paw Paw G. Gotta think right. Meditate on thinking right, and you'll have a tight life. If you think right, think right, think right. Meditate on thinking right, and you'll have a tight life. Think right. Meditate on thinking right, and you'll have a tight life. If you think right. Meditate on thinking right, and you'll have a tight life. Thank you guys for watching. For you who watched all the way to the end, I thank you. I appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and share everywhere. Thank you.